Hi everyone, today's property is a real beauty. A finely restored farmhouse in the region of Volterra, a truly spectacular part of Tuscany. The estate is extensive, boasting a land holding of close to 90 hectares or 220 acres. The home is perched on one of the highest points of the estate, which results in views that are absolutely to die for. In total, there are approximately 730 square metres or 7,850 square feet of building volume. The indoor-outdoor flow is really impressive, designed in a way that allows the fantastic outdoor spaces, including the infinity pool, to really be taken advantage of. The location is excellent, just a 20-minute drive from the wonderful Etruscan hilltop town of Volterra, and a little over an hour to both Pisa and Siena. Now, remember, to keep up to date with all our listings, remember to follow us on Instagram and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Anyway, enough from me. Let's go check it out.